Let's assemble this. Let's start from turtle dinosaurs. This is turtle dinosaurs. Let's find the leg. No. Nope. This one. Yeah. Now let's lock it with the bowl. One, nice. Let's do the same to the other side. Small. Right, cool. Nice. Lock it with the bowl. One, turtle dinosaurs can be opened, and it has a cool weapon here, cannon weapon. Nice. Now let's hide it. Turtle dinosaurs. Let's move on to the other dinosaur. Mozasaurs here. Skeleton. Now let's find the skin. This is the skin. Okay, cool. And then the other side. Nice. Okay. The head, and this is for the jaw. Cool. And this is the fin, and this is the front fin. Let's do the same to the other side. This fin, front fin. Alright, we have mozasaurs here. Let's do the same to the another dinosaurs here. We have Triceratops. Triceratops here. Let's find the leg first. Maybe this one. Nope. This is for their leg. Cool. And then this front leg. Nice. Let's lock it with the book. One, two, and three. Nice. Now let's do the same to the other side. Rib first. This is the ribs. Nice. The front leg. Okay, cool. And then this is the rear. Nice. Let's both. One, two, and the last one is three. Now, let's assemble the tail. This is the tail. Nice. We have Triceratops here. Tortoise dinosaurs with cannon inside. And then mozasaurs here. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you again on another assemble video. Goodbye.